I am the CEO of an industrial machinery components industry. Currently, I am facing challenges to run the business. Those are receipt of change orders, recording, and translating these to engineering changes within projects can be a significant issue. Without the right quote with the correct costing, you either don't make a profit because you have not included all the elements, or lost the client due to high costing. Considerable amount of equipment and materials that need to move from the shop floor to production operations without the right support. It can create confusion. Link resources to the project tasks and deal with changes like escalations, interruptions, and absences. Service opportunities like maintenance, repair, and overall services can pose some service integration issues. Then I got introduced to Savik SAP Qualified Partner Package Solution Maru. Savik Maru implementation approach is based on SAP Next Practice, leveraging intelligent technologies like IoT, AI, ML, and analytics for the industry. This solution is stable and scalable. If you have a strong growth plan and need single digital platform to build and expand your business continuously, then SAP Qualified Partner Package Solution assists you to execute your aspirations. SAP Maru process benefits: reduced sales and operations planning cycle time, increased forecast accuracy, improved manufacturing function planning efficiency, improved supply chain planning FTE productivity, increased inventory accuracy, increased contract management efficiency, resulting in reduced SG&A, reduced DSO for large customer volumes. Club related reports together and view them side by side. Data visualization software that helps an enterprise in creating and exporting interactive dashboards. Contains charts, graphs, and buttons bound to data sources. Interactive dashboards to get complete picture of the business. Display components present data compactly, enabling users to see trends and also in decision making. Savik SAP Maru IMC value benefits: 10 to 30% increased win rate at calls for proposal, 10 to 20% increased work in hand, 10 to 12% reduction in days outstanding, 10 to 15% reduction in revenue loss due to stockouts, 10 to 12% reduction in total logistics cost, 3 to 5% reduction in supply chain planning cost. SAP project implementation 16 weeks plus 2 weeks support.